How to get your GIFs on Instagram comments. First step, go to gfi.com and log into your account. As you can see here, I logged in. You also may need to be a little bit established, so don't be surprised if you're making a fake brand and you don't have any post content or any followers, and then you don't get approved. I'm pretty sure it's humans doing these approvals, so you really need to be sure that you're an actual brand or company. It only takes a few days to get approved, and then you can start uploading your GIFs. Next, click Upload right here. Then click on Upload the GIF and upload your GIF on here. After that, enter your unique tags so that you can find easily. It's a very important step. And the source URL is not important. You can write whatever you want. The bonus here for GIFs versus stickers is that they seem to show up on Instagram a lot faster. When I upload my stickers, it usually takes at least 24 hours before I can search them and use them in Instagram. Now, as long as you're actually one of those things and not trying to upload other people's artwork or apps and not posting anything that isn't yours, you're pretty likely to get approved. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, share and subscribe.